takes sculpture art enjoyment to a new level. Now follow us to explore the magnificent sculpture world of Ufine. We are proud to present you with a visual spectacle, a vast collection of sculptures in stock, not limited to marble. Ufine also has more carefully cast copper sculptures to choose from. Our stainless steel sculptures glisten in the sunlight, and the design of contemporary stainless steel sculptures is stunning. We invite you to witness the evolution of raw materials into timeless masterpieces. Director Dora personally selects each piece of natural marble material. Ufine has a strong ability to undertake engineering projects. Professional cutting, CNC engraving machines, and other equipment can meet the mass production of engineering building materials. Step inside Ufine, where the magic happens. The studio is filled with artisans dedicated to breathing life into the stone, including drawing, carving, sanding, and polishing. Each piece is meticulously shaped. Ufine has abundant marble sculpture products, including outdoor marble garden sculptures, including fountains and gazebos. Ufine also provides a variety of classic marble statues, including mythological figures, modern figures, and religious figures. You can also choose exquisite outdoor garden sculpture to decorate your house, including abstract sculptures, animal sculptures, outdoor benches, planters, marble columns, and so on. We have many marble fireplaces and marble figure sculptures in stock, waiting for your selection. You will find all the sculptures you want here.
Thank you for choosing Ufine. Together, let's add more beauty and inspiration to the world. Welcome to China. Welcome to Ufine.